Hi guys, good afternoon. Hi, good afternoon. Can anyone hear me? Can you guys hear me and see me? Let me know if you can see my screen, okay? Um, okay. Um, just wait for a couple more minutes, maybe 1 minute, and then we will start the webinar for today. So basically today is all about trading strategy clinic. If you have any question about trading, you can just ask me. All right, I will try to answer. If you don't have any question, I will bring you to the chat, and then we will see if we can find any trade setup for today. Okay. Mm-mm. Okay, so I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Let's just start the webinar today. All right. So before we start the webinar, as usual, guys, remember that everything in this video is educational in nature. Nothing should be construed as investment or trading advice. Remember to do your own due diligence before you guys trade. All right. Okay, it's about myself. My name is Peggy. I'm a trade analyst at IronFX Group, and about myself, I'm also a prop trader as well. Okay. Um, chat not able. Chat not able. Yes, here. Okay. Let me know if you can see my chat. Okay. Uh, anyone? Okay. Can you see my chat? Um, over here. Because the webinar chat I open to everyone. Okay, so okay, can you chat with me then instead of question, for example? Yeah, I think I already enable for everyone to chat. Okay, if you have any question, you can just let me know as well. Okay. Anyway, let's just look at our chat today. Okay. Um. Also, you can let me know. Any pair you can request if you want me to have a look for you. Okay. If not, and then I will just go for those like major pair. But before we go to any pair, let's just look at our DXY first. What you can see over here, DXY, okay, is still on uptrend, because if you were to look at DXY in daily time frame, what we can see here, that price is at our first support. All right, when we zoom into H4, price is on uptrend, because we do have very nice ascending trend line, and then price still above Ichimoku cloud. Okay, it's a momentum is still on bullish or uptrend. And then what you can see here, price is came down to our first support and then touches our ascending trend line as well. So price is bounced from first support, meaning that positive correlation with DXY, EU, GBP/USD, and gold is bearish. Okay, let's look at our EUR/USD, euro dollar. What you can see here, the price is still within our bearish channel line over here. Okay, what you can see here, the price is make a lower low, lower high. Okay, and then like lower low, lower high, lower low, and then you can see a low high. Okay, it's still within the bearish channel line here. So price could potential, I think, could come to the our first support. It's still on the downtrend. Okay, because DXY is up and EU/GU is falling, basically. Okay, so what you can see here, I did short from here just now. Okay, but I already closed because I do the scalping here. Let me see if we could find any trade setup, but later we do have a news, so you have to be careful because it's quite a major news. Later in the afternoon, in the evening. Okay, so you can see here that okay, I put here this morning at my first intermediate support, which you can see that it's light up very nicely with 61.8%. Okay, and then I put here as it could be my first support basically. Oops. So let me I move this. I just maybe put here as my first support, which is the low, which is last night, right? The price came down to somewhere here, which is I think is the it's about extension 145 extension. Okay, which you can see here in price bow off from here. If you would push stretch back, it's somewhere at this level. Okay, somewhere here we see the wick. Okay, first support, so price still can come down. If price is change momentum, for example, you need to wait in either lower time frame like a H4 H1, is that price, if price will change momentum, they still make a lower low, lower high. Maybe they still like make the lower low until here, I'm not sure. Okay, so could be like that. But if let's say price could not make a lower low and lower high, but they make a higher high, higher low. Okay, this means that they change the momentum from downtrend to uptrend, meaning that you need to wait for the price either to come down here or either like that, and then they will make a chain of character here. Okay, and then meaning that when the price come back around here and then you buy from this one, for example, somewhere here, you need to wait for the price to break this high, or now price could come like until like that, maybe here. Okay, because it made until here, and then after that they might come all the way back like that, meaning break the first resistance. You need to wait for price to pull back and then we buy. So we need to wait for the news for tonight. If the XY or dollar index is strong, meaning that EU GU will falling, right? We need to see it either like this, you wait for price to break this high or break first resistance, you wait for price to pull back and then you buy here. Okay, or it could come like lower low, lower high. It could come like that or like this and break here, or either still on a downtrend. It's still either way. Okay, anything possible. Okay, either like that, still on downtrend until hit our second support, or it only come to the first support and then go all the way up to resistance and back resistance. You wait for the price to pull back and then you buy here. All right, now it's still like sideways. We don't have any trade setup for now. Okay, what about the GU? Okay, the GU already sell here. And if you were to see that, actually if you look at H4, it's still sideways, right? Because price is still sideways, like within this box, like first support and first resistance. But if you're scalper, we can find potential to trade, which is I have a sale position somewhere here. What you can see that this is my sell entry. In the afternoon, this is my sell entry. Okay, which is why I get the sell entry here. We do have 61.8% fib level right here. All right, and price icon all the way down. If you were to zoom into H1, you know that this is our fair value gap, which is imbalance. This is the imbalance. This is, very big bullish candle, big and long. And this is a fair value gap over here. So meaning that I know that price will still come back to this zone and then we'll go up. Oh, like, they'll come up here and then we'll push from there. That's possible. We just have to wait for the new tonight. But this is in the box. We do have fair value gap. Okay, a fair value gap. Okay, like here in this box. Okay, this is the one. All right. So price, what you can see here, when the price touch the box, is still like, bounce a little bit, but I think price still can come down more. And if you were to draw Fibonacci as well from like this swing low to swing high, okay, and you pull all, you know that here is 50%, but we think that price could come in this zone, which is 61.8 and 78.6%. Okay, this is my view because I already have a sell entry from here, so already hits my TP. Okay, let's say if you want to find entry for tonight, okay, let me find for you. This is the okay, let's say if the new came tonight and then the dollar is strong, I think potential they might break first support tonight, but we need to wait for the new first. My time is tonight, yeah. My time is tonight. Your time should be in the evening, I believe. So you can wait at the second support to buy, which is I think second support. I think it's good enough for H4. But let me see. Okay. 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 Let's say if the news come out tonight, right? And then price is break all the way to break first support. You can wait at the second support and then you buy from here. Okay, you buy where your TP is here. Okay, one is break your first support, it become your first resistance. So if you were to buy from the second support here, your TP is here. Okay, here it's going to be your TP. Like yeah, I mean from your TP is here. Okay, first support become first resistance. If price break first support, you buy here and then your TP is your first resistance here. Okay, we will see tonight, but now we don't have any potential because price is already falling from the sell entry over here. Okay, what you can see, you know that why or a lot of people or investor they're selling here because we have 61.8%, right? And then what you can see over here, the candlestick here, 1 2 3 4 5, which is 5 candle in H4 could not go above first resistance. You can see the first resistance here, or where is my entry is, and then you can see that this is our order block here. Okay, this is our order block, so a lot of people here will sell at this level. All right, okay, and again price still make lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay, they haven't changed any momentum yet. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's look at our USD CHF. Okay, in head 4, still sideways. We need to see, sideways for August 15. Okay, in head 4, what you can see here is still sideways. So in head 4, you can see if you to trade like, buy sell in first resistance, TP second first support is still on sideways. There is no potential for us unless you wait for the price either sideways. You wait for the price to break above first resistance. Okay, you break, pull back, then you buy here. So from your first resistance, it become your support. You wait for the price to pull back and then you buy. Or tonight, price break your first support, come down, you wait for price to pull back, it become your resistance and then you sell. Okay, it's either way for sideways. Um, either sell, wait for price to pull back and then you buy. Okay. Now we cannot do anything unless like today you buy from here, you can TP at first resistance already the TP here. Okay, we just wait for the trade setup. Okay, sideways, nothing we can do for now. Look at the UJ. Okay, what you can see over here, actually the UJ, I thought that price is make double top or the M pattern, right? You can see that like here, make the M pattern and then the price come down. Okay, I thought that maybe we make a sale at the next line and then it come here, but it's not go that way. But we could find the potential to trade. Let me pull out the Fibo. Okay, let's say if you want to sell, this is your area for you to sell here, your sell zone. Okay, you may consider, I will tell you why, your sell zone here, because we do have supply zone over here, like drop base drop here, so this is your sell zone somewhere in the box here. Okay, which is 61.8% and 78.6%. You can sell here. And where is your TP? Definitely your TP is here, which is your first TP. Let me just put your take profit here. Definitely your stop loss is your this here. We'll just put your stop loss. Okay, stop loss slightly, just somewhere here, slightly above a little bit the wick. Okay, you wait for price to come to this area and then you sell. Your TP is here. Okay, then I remove. Okay, because I think price already change momentum, because price, if you were to look, they in head 4, okay, they make the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then they could not make the higher high. Okay, so we already see the chart pattern, which is a double top or M pattern, and it's confirmed that trending down because this is a low. Okay, your low here. Let me just here, and then price is already changed the character here. Okay, they break the low. Okay, you wait for the price to pull. Okay, lower low, make a high here, make a lower low, lower high. Okay, they will change momentum like that. Okay, this is the view. Okay, you just wait for the price to pull somewhere here, and then you sell. Okay, it could be either here, but what you can see here is another zone to sell. This is another supply zone here. price either come until here and then come down, or it could come here and then sell. We have two supply zone, which is, I think this one is have any 50%. Okay, so you watch out for the three zone and 78. Okay, like either here, but you wait first, but I think price is might come to this zone. Okay, either this one you just observe and then you go to the lower time frame, either H1, M30 or M15 if there is any price action. Okay, what you can see here, there may be rejection in this zone in M15. You may consider to sell now if you want to, but if you sell now, okay, the next sell zone is here, this zone. Okay, we have two sell zone. Okay, either here, price could come up here, or either here. Okay, but price will make a lower low, lower high. Okay, your TP, if you sell, this is your first TP is here. Okay, this is your TP. You take profit somewhere here, and your sell zone. Okay, mm. All right. Okay, your sell zone here. To me, I think I'll just wait somewhere here. This one, you just observe this zone, but I think potentially will go up until here and then you sell. All right. And then you offer your TPs here. Okay, no question. Let me know, guys, if you have any question. All right. Okay, consider, but I think potential is could go up. What you can see in H4 and then in H1. Okay, for example, if you in H1, if price ending with the red candle with the rejection is a long wick, it's either like candlestick pattern, you may consider to sell. For example, we do have like no other box here as well, no big bearish candle here. Just observe this one. If ending with red, you make sell. Okay. The confirmation is that if M15 is closed with the red candle, the next candle you can sell. Okay, you have to wait for M15 to close first, and then you consider to sell. If ending with green, you wait for the next zone, which is sell zone here. Okay. All right. Okay, let me look at the UCAT. Okay, for the UCAT, price is just bounced off at our first support in head 4. This is my support and resistance in head 4, but let's look at daily time frame. Okay, if you were to look, you know that it's still sideways in daily time frame since 18th of August. Okay, and I thought that price in daily time frame, price could break first support based on this candle. It's something like hammer. This called hammer, right? I don't remember the name, I forgot. Yeah, but this kind of like the candlestick pattern here. The potential that if tonight the DXY is weak, then we can see the falling from here. But I think price might break first support if you were to buy. Okay, if you want to buy, okay, this is a good zone for you to buy, which is the second support level. Okay, used to be resistant, right? And then now it's break above, raka pull back. When the price pull back here, what you can see that price used to be resistant. Okay, it's break resistant. You wait for the price to pull back. It really pull back. Now it's called overlap. Then boom all the way. Okay, so if you were to wait, people will get a buy from here, right? So now it's become overlap support. You wait for that either you wait for it to break below. Okay, you wait for that to pull back again and then you buy one more time. Okay, I think price could have potential to make like the QM. Anyone trade QM, like, you know, this could be like left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder, maybe something like that go up here, right? And it come down, and then it's go up to the either here, and then all the way down, something like that. That possible. So that create like left shoulder here, but we need to wait for the price to form the chart pattern first. It's just my view. It's good potential be like that. Okay, this is a head, and then this could be, I don't know, but it could be, we will see tonight. This could be the right shoulder. Okay, we need to see whether it's gonna be like that. You can see that here. Ui, sorry. Or wait. Is this code called? It could have Elliott wave, right? Let me see. I no. Okay, but it could be something like that. They could go up here. Here is either here and then all the way, and then go all the way up. That possible. But we need to see whether price is gonna clear like that. Either the head price break first support, come down. Then when the price come to second support, you wait for price to pull back from first support. It become resistance. And then you sell. Okay, it might form something like that. So QM. Okay, if that break first support, you wait to buy at second support, and then from support level it become resistance. Okay, so now we cannot do anything because price is sideways and then it just bounce off from the support level. So this is the trade setup. You see break below, you wait at second support, you buy your TP at your resistance, which is here, and then you sell. Okay, like here. If price break first support, you wait. Okay, you buy your TP at your resistance. From resistance, you sell. Okay. Mm. Mm. Okay. You need to wait for price to break first below the first support. Okay, and then you will buy at second support. All right. Okay. So far so good, right? Welcome, guys. If you guys just join, all right. Actually, I went through quite a few pair already, but if you have any pair you can request. Okay, just send in to the chat, and then I will answer, or I will look for you again if you miss the first half of the section. Okay, let's look at the AUD USD. What you can we see over here. Let me see. First, I thought like my second first resistance with here, because we do have 38.2% and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, which is Fibonacci confluence over here, but price did not go until first resistance, and then it's reversed already. Okay, let me remove. Okay, go to the daily time frame. Okay, in daily time frame, I think price create here like double top right here. Okay, it might pull back here and then make a you know varied momentum. Okay, and then we zoom in head 4. Okay, in head 4, what you can see over here, you can know that this is our actually should here like the resistance somewhere here, but price is come to this like order blocks. Any one of you guys trade order box here? Can see here in head 4 here, somewhere here. Okay, and then price came down because we do have like order blocks here, or like a bearish candle here, three, and then price is came down. Okay, let me pull the okay. Let's look at the market structures in head 4 price. From here, they make a lower low, low high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay, it's still on like downtrend until somewhere here, price could not make a lower low. Okay, now it's make a higher high and higher low, right, in head 4. So what you can see here, I zoom for you to see in head 4. Okay, what you can see that is make the from here here lower low, lower high, and lower high, and then they could not make a lower low, lower, meaning that they need to break this low, right? But it could not. They make a change to lower, higher high, higher low, higher high. They're gonna make on that. Okay, so we should wait for the price to come to this zone, which is we will buy. Okay, to set up this is buy entry. Where is my buy entry? Okay, we do have 30.2% fifth level. Okay, and price or buy level. Okay, price is make the chain of the character here, which is here here. Okay, we change here already because price is already make like here. Oh, sorry, like here. Okay, you see they make a lower low, low higher high, higher low, higher high, and I think somewhere here they're gonna make higher low, and then you go up here. All right, so this one I remove. where your TP if you buy from here? You to buy from here, but actually the buy is could be somewhere here as well, without the block somewhere here. Okay, which is you see, which is 61.8%. Okay, so just watch out, but you can wait for the price to come here. Let's say you either you layer or you put this, you buy here. If you want to buy at the buy entry where I put first, you need to wait for the confirmation in a lower time frame like M15, M30. Either you see the candlestick pattern or chart pattern in the lower time frame. Okay, and then you buy. Okay, if not, because tonight we do have news, if you see all the way red, you know, like this candle, if you see very big candle with the red one, or like all the way, break this, like for example, or break here. Okay, you wait for this zone to buy. Okay, because we do have news tonight, it's a major news for the USD. You wait first. If come to this zone, you will see the, either this bounce here or any other rejection when it's come to this box. Okay, because we do have the other box here, and then we do have 61.8% FIB level. Okay, just wait for the confirmation. All right. Let me see if I saw any question. No question. Okay. I just put at 38 and this one. Okay. I do one here. Wait for the confirmation. Okay. Or here. Okay. Okay. What you can notice, right? Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar, the charge is look the same because they are, you see, look really similar. From this one, I think price already come to this let me see my so rate. Okay, they come to this one, what you can see here, like here, right, with the order box here, and then you can see the rejection. But um let me see, let's pull our Fibonacci swing low to swing high. The starting point is always start with 100% and ending point is start with 0. And what you can see here, we do have 60% FIB level. Okay, within this zone, 50 and 60% is the zone you may consider to buy. Why? Because price same like Aussie dollar, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then it could not make a lower low. Okay, make a bigger, then you guys can see. Okay, they cannot, so they already break this chain of character, break this high. Okay, okay, and then you wait for it to pull back this zone, and then you buy. Okay, the head fall, but let me zoom into H1 here. Any short pattern? About. Okay. Okay. This is a good sign. What you can see here. Okay. Price is come to this zone and then it's changed to the green color. If this ending M15 ending with green candle, you may consider to buy. Okay. This is already confirmation. Okay, but sometimes if you are aggressive trader or like myself, sometime, right, I just, buy already when the price, come to this zone. I like to go to like lower time frame like M5 M15 to see confirmation, and then I buy from this zone. Okay, you may consider. Okay, any one of you guys trade SMC? Any one of you guys? No? Why you guys so quiet? Why you guys so quiet? Okay, just see. Okay, you can see her. Make it bigger for you guys to see. Okay. Oh, sorry. I need to change. This is not first support. This is my first support here. Okay. Multi swing low. And of course, first resistance to the same. Okay. Where is my second support? Should all the way below. All the way below. Right? Let me look. We should have in the time frame. It should here. Okay, this is my second support, and then look at H4. Yeah, this is my second support. Okay, we will see what you can see here. Have already rejection. Nice, very nice. Okay, if you were to ask me if you will buy now, where your TP is somewhere here. Okay, is your TP somewhere here? You take profit. If you buy now, I mean, if you have a buy, your TP should be here. But if you don't have, let's say if you don't have either, let me see the, hold on the channel line here. From where? I think you need to adjust it here. Okay. Okay. If you want to sell, to sell, you can sell here at the channel line here. Okay, but again you need to wait for the confirmation, because I don't trade alone with only like trend line. Basically, you can pull the best one is, okay, you can buy here at 78.6%, but if the price not come up, you don't buy. Okay, like this the sell zone. Yeah, like this zone. Okay, let me consider if price come from here and then you sell. Okay, because we do have the trend line, we do have the supply zone here, and then we have 78.6% fib level. Okay, which is here in H1. Okay, let's see. All right, look at our oil before we go to gold. What I can see over here, it's so messy. Okay, to me, oil is already change momentum in daily in weekly time frame, right? Again, it's easy for you. You need to identify the market structures. What you can see here in weekly time frame first, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? Until here, and make a higher high, higher low, and then price could not make a higher high. Instead, it make a lower high. Okay, from here, it will change in the momentum. We go to the daily time frame. What you can see here, okay, in weekly to daily, and then we can draw fib level to help us to find support and resistance. What you can see that price it touch at 30.2% fib level, and then it's reversed, okay, or bounce off from this fib level. Go to H4. Do we have potential to trade? Okay. for oil you need to sell, okay, and you can hold because we follow the weekly time frame, okay, because weekly time frame is already make a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? So now again, then you can see lower low, low, higher high, higher low, and then they change to the lower high here, meaning we will sell, but where we gonna sell, right? uh Make a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. I think they could come somewhere here and then they sell. So our sell zone is at this zone, okay? This is the zone for you to sell. Okay, this one. 61 and 50% is the zone for you to sell here. Let me see. Okay. Okay, this is for you to sell. Okay, let me go down to H1. Okay. Okay, you wait for this price come to this zone. Okay. And then you sell because we follow the weekly time frame. And in H4, like I say, price is already make a lower low, lower high. Could come up here and then you sell. You should change like that. Okay. Now you wait first. Okay, where is the TP, right? You will ask me. Okay, the TP we will use Fibo extension, all right? Okay, this could be your first is swing low, is your TP1. This could be your TP1. Okay, and the TP1, TP2, we will use Fibo extension, which is somewhere here, 61.8%, which is TP2, okay? Trend is your friend. We trade, follow the trend, okay? This could be your TP2, which is extension, okay? You just wait. Your TP1, TP2, extension, and this is very nice pullback support, and TP1, which is recent swing low, okay? So far so good, guys. You're so quiet. Okay, let's go to our favorite pair, which is gold. I do sell gold, guys. It's like, okay, this is my view of gold, which is, you know, I draw retracement, which is we have 61.8% and 38.2% fib level. Okay, but price it did not come to my zone, but why I sell? Okay, I sell because I go to the lower time frame like H1. I saw that there is a divergence, which is here. Okay, bearish divergence here. Okay, and then here, okay, bearish divergence. If you were to zoom in, okay, you know that this is price could not go above this level, which is they go the highest one is 1923, and then you can see that, you know, a lot of rejection here, a lot of wick, and then the body could not go above this 1923, okay, and this is price action as well. So I still hold my trade, okay. But where is the TP, right? If you were to ask me where is my TP, my TP is around 1915 somewhere there, which is let me draw the fib for you. Okay, you know, sometimes if we draw support and resistance, right, you will see that sometimes price could not really go those resistance or the key level, because I think they know that there's a lot of pending order or a lot of people waiting to sell, right? So sometimes the market is not so kind to you, right? They saw that, they just, okay, we just put the the price come down, and then you say that, oh, you missed the trade, right? But if you go to the lower time frame, you will see that you could have place the order here, because you see that there is a belly divergence, and you can see that this is a candlestick pattern. Okay, I haven't pulled out my fifth level. Okay, so of course your first TP is gonna be 1914, which is only 3.6% at your first TP. Like again, I put my TP at 1915, which is like 10 pip before 23.6% fib level. Okay, so my view, let's say if you want to buy, you wait at the first support here. Why? Because we do have, let's wait for the new tonight first. Okay, this is the zone. Okay, I don't give you the exact number, because this is the zone for us to buy. Why? Because you know we do have 61.8% and 50% fib level. And if you can see here, it's a 1899 to 1904. It's about 50 pip for gold. 50 pip is not a lot, so this is the zone. Okay, so you can layer within the zone, only 50 pip, right? You can just either price come to this zone, which is 1904, you can start buying with the small lot. Okay, for example, if you want to trade at one lot, okay, you can just put 0.25 within this zone. Okay, because sometimes price it might come down to 1899 or 1009, and then you can have the remaining lot size to place the order like below. Okay, because if you think that your account only can trade like one lot, and then you just put like one lot, for example, you just like put like one lot here. But what if the price come down to like this zone, and then you dare not to place one more lots already, because what if the price is reversed, and then it might hit your you hit your SL, you could have, or you could have lost a lot of money. So you need to do trade management as well, risk and reward, or calculate your loss size properly. Okay, to me, I like to like um put a layer in a zone, so my lot size is not big, but I have many order within the zone. Okay, any questions so far, guys? If you don't have a question, okay, I would like you guys to help me vote whether you like this webinar or not. Okay, I appreciate, guys, if you guys can vote for me, and then I hope to see you guys again next webinar. You just wait here. Any questions so far, guys? All right. If you don't have any question, okay, I would like to end the webinar for today. And thank you so much for joining me. All right. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me. Okay. And we do have a new major new later. Okay. So just wait for all the trade setup that I share with you guys. You just wait after the new release, wait for the confirmation, and then you just play the trade according to whatever you think that's a good for you. Okay. Happy trading and have a good evening as well. Bye for now, guys. Take care. Bye.